Hello, students. Welcome to High5 Education. I'm Teacher Rainey, and I'm excited to be your guide on another amazing mathematics adventure. Have you ever wondered how to find the side length of a cube when you only know its volume? That's exactly what we're going to discover today, as we explore the fascinating world of cube roots. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify perfect cubes, find cube roots with confidence, and apply this important concept to solve real-life problems in mathematics, engineering, architecture, and design. So, sharpen your minds, get your calculators ready, and let's unlock the power of cube roots together. Let's get started. A cube root is a number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, gives the original number, also cube root. It is the opposite operation of raising a number to the power of 3, cubing. Now, here are the parts of a cube root. As you can see on the picture, there are 3 parts also on a cube root. Same on the square root. Number 1 is the radical, or roots, are the inverse of exponents. We search for a number that can be multiplied by itself. Next is index, a certain number of times to get an original number, or the radicand. Lastly is the radicand. It is the number being divided. And that is the parts of cube root. Rules for finding cube roots. Number 1. If the number is a perfect cube, the cube root is a whole number. Examples. Cube root of 8 equals 2, because 2 times 2 equals 8. Next is cube root of 27 equals 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Number 2. The cube root of a negative number is also negative. Examples. Cube root of negative 125 is equals to negative 5, because negative 5 times negative 5 equals to positive 25, then times to negative 5 equals to negative 125. Next is cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, because negative 3 times negative 3 equals to positive 9, then times to negative 3 equals to negative 27. Number 3. Not all numbers have whole number cube roots, and some cube roots are decimals. Example, cube root of 20 is approximately equal to 2.71, since 2.71 times 2.71 times 2.71 is approximately equal to 20. Now, here are the real-life application in cube root. Example number 1. Building a water storage cube. A council in regional Australia designs a cube-shaped water tank with a volume of 343 cubic meters. Find the length of one side. So the cube root of 343 equals 7. It means each side of the tank is 7 meters long. Example number 2. Mining in Western Australia. A mining company stores ore in a cube-shaped container with a volume of 729 cubic meters. The side length of cube root of 729 equals 9. It means each side measures 9 meters. Example number 3. In everyday life, cube roots can be applied when dealing with cubic containers, such as ice cream boxes or storage bins. Knowing the volume of these containers allows individuals to calculate how much they can hold, which is particularly useful for planning storage or purchasing items in bulk. These examples illustrate how cube roots are not just abstract mathematical concepts, but are integral to practical applications across various fields and everyday situations. Last example, gaming and animation. 3D object scaling. Game developers and animators use cube roots to resize 3D models without distorting proportions. For example, scaling a cube's side length from 1 unit to 2 units increases its volume by 2 cubed equals 8 times. This principle applies to character models, adjusting armor or clothing sizes for different player avatars, environment design, creating larger or smaller versions of buildings or terrain, physics engines, calculating collision volumes for objects like boulders or vehicles. Thank you for learning with High5 Einstein about the exciting world of cube roots. You've discovered how cube roots help us find the side length of a cube and solve real-world mathematical problems. Now it's your turn to shine. Put your new knowledge to the test. Challenge yourself and show what you've learned. Remember, Every question you answer brings you one step closer to becoming a more confident mathematician. Great job! You've successfully unlocked the power of cube roots. Remember, a cube root helps us work backwards from a cube's volume to find the length of its sides. It's a powerful mathematical tool used to solve problems involving cubes, three-dimensional shapes, and real-world designs. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember that every cube root you solve strengthens your problem-solving skills. Mathematics is all about discovering patterns, thinking critically, and finding solutions. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next lesson with High5 Education. So, what are you waiting for? You may contact High5 Education by messaging us through our page, office@high5education.com.au, www.high5education.com.au, www.facebook.com/high5education, www.youtube.com/@high5education. WhatsApp number 61435-195888. See you on the next session of High5 Education. Bye.